size is 7 feet tall and weigh up to 7,000 pounds. How is that massive, right? It lives in the continent of Africa and Asia and lives in the African open savanna and the base of mountain and the tropical rainforest. And I'm going to tell you the 5 different species of rhino. The first one is Sumatran rhino, Javan rhino, and the black rhino, and the white rhino, and the African rhino. So when a rhino is very stout and fat, it could run very far, fast as a zebra, right? But it does not run very far. So now I will tell you what it eats. It eats shrubs, roots, and short grass and leaves. See? Leaves. It eats leaves. How much it eats? It eats 90 pounds of leaves and grass. It needs to food to survive. Yeah, they're herbivores, so they eat grass. So they will stop eating when it's too hot because the sun will be too hot. They will stop grazing. Then they will go to their favorite place, the muddy pool. That muddy pool just keeps them cool. No, for getting bug bites on their backs. Then even a rhino eats in the night. You know that? It eats in the night just like hippo. So when the rhino is not in grazing and it is not in grazing, when it is grazing, when there are bugs on its back, how will it get rid of them? There's a bird called tick bird. The tick bird will get the bugs out of its back, then clean it. So those both are helping. So rhinos are herbivores. Why do they have very long and strong horns? Yeah, to protect their calf from predators. They have a lot of predators: tigers, lions, hyenas, wolves, and crocodiles. See, they will come and attack them when they come too close. The only way is it can't run. It will just go closer to its horn. That's why it has a horn, a powerful horn. And a baby rhino is called a calf. A calf, when it's born one day, very quickly, it is 100 pounds. You know that? Yeah. How does your rhino horn is made of? Yeah, it is made of keratin. So in our body, what is made of keratin? In our body, our hands made of keratin, our nails are made of keratin. Yeah. So when a rhino is fighting with those predators like lion, tigers, and hyenas, when your horn broke down, your new one emerges quickly, just like sharks. When a teeth broke down, a new one quickly emerges. Did you see that? So that's the facts about rhinos. But before that, I'll tell you the very important fact about rhinos. Yeah, people are hunting rhinos for their horns. So we should stop hunters from killing rhinos for their horns. We should keep those animals safe and sound to live in our Earth's planets beautiful.